All right, team, let's start talking about one of the most powerful tools you have for building your real estate business right now. It's short form video. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts are where attention lives today. But here's the truth. Most agents hit record, start talking, and then wonder why their videos don't take off. The key isn't just making videos. It's making videos that keep people watching and moves them to take action. That's why we use the H.O.P framework. H.O.P. It stands for hook, offer value, prompt action. First, the hook. You've got about 3 seconds to grab attention before somebody scrolls past. A strong hook makes your viewer stop and think, this might be for me. Second, offer value. Attention is one thing, but keeping it is another. This is where you drop something useful, whether it's a tip, a strategy, or a common mistake to avoid. You want viewers walking away thinking, that was worth my time. And third, prompt action. Never end a video without telling somebody what to do next. It can be simple. Save this, follow for more, comment for a checklist. This not only creates engagement, but it also tells the algorithm to push your video to more people. Now here's why this works. The hook grabs attention, the value builds trust, and the prompt action creates engagement. Together, they create a system that grows your audience, builds authority, and brings in leads. And the best part, you don't have to guess how to structure your videos anymore. At the end of this lesson, you'll find a plug-and-play ChatGPT prompt that will generate short-term video scripts tailored to your niche, your strengths, and your market. So don't just make videos that work. Click the link below and grab the prompt and start creating your first H.O.P-powered script today.